Let me show you how to delete a contact on your iPhone. I'll also show you how to delete all the contacts on your iPhone. Now, the easiest way to do this is to open up the phone app, and you can access all your contacts from here. But keep in mind, you can also just go to the app library and go to the contacts app to do this. But most people have that phone app right in front of them. So let's go over to your contacts here. And I'll show you how to delete one contact. We can go into that contact, but there's no delete option here. To be able to do that, we need to edit this profile and then go to the bottom and hit delete and delete. Now, keep in mind, if you wanted to delete a bunch of contacts, there is a trick to be able to do that. You're going to use two fingers and swipe across multiple different contacts or all your contacts. Just select a bunch of them. And then from here, you're going to press and hold. It will merge them all together and you can hit delete those 7 contacts or however many are on your phone.